Rizhao Shunde Mechanical Parts Company Limited can be traced back to year 1847, mainly dealing with iron farm tools. Its history is more than 170 years until now. Founder Li Yongping founded Shunde Town, Shunde Company in 1847. We insist the family motto that be a man before run a business. Life can be enjoyed regardless of money. This sentence have forged ahead with diligence and courage, and achieved brilliant success. Rizhao Shunde Mechanical Parts Company Limited transformed from a trade enterprise into a production enterprise in 2004. We mainly manufacture excavator bucket teeth and wear-resistant parts of mine crushers, with an annual output of 10,000 tons. We have outstanding research and development capacity, high technical level, and new production equipments. With a capable technical team, as well as a host of technical talents and engineers, we conduct strict quality control. We ensure each product qualified by highly controlling the quality from the beginning of raw material to each processing step. Our products are with state-of-the-art level, and our company has been in conformity with Quality Management System Standard ISO 9001 from 2016. We have developed bucket teeth to meet different working conditions. The company is equipped with first-class import and export physical and chemical testing and experimental equipment, including German spectrometer, metallographic microscope, laser 3D scanner, hardness tester, impact testing machine, wear testing machine, UT, MT, PT, flow detection instrument, etc. We have thousands of products, and more than 90% are exported to US, France, Germany, the UK, Canada, Italy, South Korea, Japan, Spain, the Netherlands, and so on. Our staffs are experienced of exporting, and we are supplying for several machinery manufacturers in China. Our customers deeply trust Shunde as for timely delivery, outstanding quality, and a reasonable price. We will join hands with you to create a bright future.